So before we continue, I want to let you know those videos we made them just to share with you the knowledge or what we learned from installing and removing parts. So I want you to subscribe to the channel right now. Click on the bell notification to get all the videos on time and leave your question. We're gonna respond to them just after this video. So how we're gonna work on
again and again, guys. So welcome for a new video. We got this 2003 GMC Envoy XL 4.2. They dropped at the shop this morning, so they got a crank no start situation where the car gonna crank, but won't start. But that's stuck. It's stuck off. That means it's not even allowed air to get in the system. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get inside and see what the fuck is going on in there. So there was two bolts right here, two 10 bolt, one right here and then one over there. So you're gonna have to take them off. So once you take them off, you can the air hose out. You can take this out your way. So here's the throttle body. So this is what I told you. If you look at in there, it's stuck off. Even we push it with hands, we push it, it won't come on. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna force it, we're gonna type it. All right, now it's open. We're gonna type it open. So once you type open, so we're gonna go back on the car and see if it's gonna start. Because what happening is this stop off, then it not allowed any air to get to the engine to get it started. So here we go. Problem solved. So now, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna do an estimate and then find a parts to see what we can get in the throttle body. Call the auto parts store, get a throttle body, and install a new throttle body on this car. All right. So to replace the throttle body, it's easy. So because everything is already out, you just gotta press and remove the connector right here. This one got a hose where you just gotta push this down and then take this hose out. You got 14 bolt millimeter. So we're gonna take them off, and after that we're gonna call the auto parts store. So and then get the parts, and then we're gonna replace the throttle body. All right, so here is the throttle body. It's a domain part. We got it from O'Reilly Auto Part. So we're gonna install the new throttle body. Come with a new seal. We're gonna remove the whole seal and place the throttle body, and after that we're gonna start the car, see if it's gonna start. So if you start, you're good to go. So we pretty much have everything together. So we already put the throttle body in. That's the old one. So now we're just gonna try to clear the code, and then we can turn the ignition on. So we're gonna clear the code that we have. So we're gonna clear the codes and then trying to start the car to see. Alright, so we got the codes clear. We're gonna turn off the ignition. Turn it on. There you go. As bueno. Alright, so now we're just gonna call the customer and tell them the car is ready. See you on the next video.